Hey there, my name is Mark and welcome to You Do You. In this video, I'm just showing an unboxing of 4 fragrances from Amouage, but really what it's about is buying partial bottles because 3 of these are partial bottles which I got. The first advantage that I could think of is that, once you have a large collection, you're really not going to need 100 ml of something if you really intend to finish the bottle. Which I in fact do. I want to retain like maybe 5 ml of it just for reference, but for the most part, Christ, I have bottles that I've had for 2 years and I've just used up maybe 5 ml of them. So, it's kind of wiser to just get a partial bottle of something. Now, another advantage of getting a partial bottle is that you get to help people out in the community. That is, of course, the disclaimer to all this is that, you have to know people that you could get legitimate partial bottles of the fragrances. And, sometimes a fragrance can be great, but because you've discovered something that you even want more, you're willing to part with it. And I suppose that's what happens a lot in the... Oh, wait. So this is the first fragrance. It's Amouage. Wait, I can't even see it. What is it? Oh, it's Fate. Amouage Fate Woman. Amouage Myths, which is my second bottle of it. It's actually my backup because I love Amouage Fate Woman so very much. I love the for men version too, but the Fate Woman, which actually got 5 stars from Luca Turin, is just really amazing. And because I was kind of being stingy about using it, I really wanted a backup bottle, and thank goodness I was able to get one partial. Maybe it's probably 95% full. So there we go. So as I was saying, many collectors, sometimes they have a wonderful bottle, but they can part with it because they just want something better. And if you buy the partial bottle from them, it means that you're making it easier for them to acquire the bottle that they want more. So all in all, I think it's good for the community. So what is this second bottle that I'm unpacking? Let's wait. Wait, I might as well go to the third advantage of getting a partial bottle. You get them kind of cheaper because if you don't really need a full bottle of it, let's say that you just need 50 ml of something. Especially if you're just blind buying it anyway, it really does come out cheaper. For the most part, if it's 50% full, then people would sell it at 50% the cost. Sometimes it's even lower if they got it for lower, or if they're not really out there. If they're not really selling it to make money, then some people are in fact willing to part with a bottle for even less than 50% of retail. So economically, it works out really well. Amouage Reflection 45. Partial bottle, I think it's got 45 ml left. I knew that, this is a 10 out of 10 fragrance to me, but the retail price is the retail price of it is just too much. In fact, I think it's kind of like overpriced at something like 500 USD. And I'm not really willing to spend 500 USD on any fragrance. I think that's just too much. Even if the bottle is beautiful, even if it's a 10 out of 10, 500 USD for a fragrance is... I can't justify that purchase. So when the seller posted it, selling 45 ml left, a 45 ml remaining bottle of Reflection 45, I had to pick it up. I did see a post in Fragrance Guru Nation of somebody selling something like a bottle of it that's 98% full, only for 260 USD. That's a great deal. I'd have bought that. But well, I live in the Philippines, and so there's no way I can get. There's no way for me to get it because shipping of it is going to just cost too much. I might even get into some kind of trouble at customs, and so I just didn't want the trouble. So here's the third bottle, which is a partial bottle of Memoir Woman, which I've just sprayed once. I'm not really... I don't want to talk about the scent yet. But it's, as you can tell, I'm an Amouage fan. In fact, I want to get the entire range of Amouage, except for a few. Some just aren't going to work. Like Myths Woman. I don't think I'm ever gonna get that. It's the one that I just really don't like it. Or maybe I should try it another time. It just might seem better to me after a third time. And here we go with the last, which is a full... Oh, wait. Here I'm showing samples, official samples that the seller apparently gave to me, which I didn't know until... Well, he never said that he was going to put that sample in. There was in fact another. When I checked the bubble wrapping, there was apparently some other fragrance that was stuck there, which I would eventually do a review of. I just like to take my time. And on we go. The last bottle is going to be Amouage Figment Man, which I hated. I really, really hated the first time I tried it. But then it started to haunt me, and then the second time I tried it, it's really, really good. And then by the third time, I knew that, Amouage Figment Man is discontinued, and I think a couple of bottles are still available in discounters. I think that if you've ever considered getting it, do get it now. Like, for instance, it's crazy that there's no Sunshine Man anymore, and I would love to get a bottle of that, but there's none available anymore, at least not where I am. But who knows, maybe in the groups someone's going to sell a partial bottle of it. Am I gonna show the bottle? No, I'm not. I'll reserve that for a later video. I just know already that I do like it. It's the opening that used it's the opening that I used to find repulsive, but I've gotten over that part, and it's really one of the best animalic fragrances that one could get, if it's still available. So there, 3 partial bottles and a full bottle, and I know this video is about the advantages of getting partial bottles. So advantage 1, you get to use more of it. Number 2, you get to help people out in the community. And number 3, you get them cheaper. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like it. Thanks!